Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So this is my LOL basket. This is one of them. I do have a couple of more, maybe one more of these that I will be making. I included 95% LOL items in this basket. There are a couple of items in here that are not necessarily LOL. But for the most part, everything in the basket is LOL, including the LOL smartwatch that we got back in the Easter time. And I'm just using what I had left of those. I placed the blanket in the front of this basket. And it is a silver and pink blanket. And I placed the rainbow pillow in the back of the basket, just to give it some fluff and to go with the blanket in the front. There is the 7-piece calculator set, which is also LOL. And I placed the LOL bag here on this side of the basket. Never mind the mess, y'all. That's all the toys that I've pulled out that I'm making concepts with. Alright, so I'm going to get this wrapped up, bowed up, and move on to the next. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. Thank you for subscribing and for your continued support. I love each and every one of you. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.